Hapo jana viongozi wa Siaya ambao wako upande wa Azimio walimgeuka Raila Odinga na kusema kwamba amewasaliti na kwa hiyo wamerudi kwa chama cha UDA. Aidha walisema wao kama viongozi wa Siaya wameamua kupambana na UDA ili waendeleze nchi na kwa upande wa Raila yeye atabaki tu kudanganya watu. Pia walisema hakuna serikali ambayo imewahi peana chakula kama serikali ya Ruto na kwa hiyo hawana budi kushiriki kikazi naye.
I'm Councillor Henry Ondeji, a resident of Bondo constituency. I would a member from Siaya County also, and also in acting capacity, organizing secretary in the steering committee, which is supposed to propel the grassroots mobilization of registration of members of Siaya County into order party. I also support my colleague, the person who has just spoken, and also confirm that the facts which he has just spoken are all correct. And I further declare support for CS Eliud Owalo for all that he has done to Nyanza, as from starting from distribution of food or relief food to our counties. All the 4 counties have been given food. And that one has also given us a lot of trust and support the government at large, because ever since, there is no government which has brought to us the relief food, even during Grand Coalition, during Uhuru's time. But now, the Ruto's government, because of Owalo, we have received those ones. If Mr. Bernard Odinga, who is a person called a gun for hire, Odinga is called a gun for hire because a gun for hire, you go and hire a gun and then do some criminal events and then come back after paying money. Odinga is also treated as like that. Some enemies of the older people, some enemies of Owalo, the people who are seeing Owalo propelling so much, have also resorted to buying Odinga to come and also blackmail Owalo, which of course we are not going to accept as Ondeji and also as a member of Order and the entire Siaya County, even Nyanza, those people who are supporting Order. Not only those people who are supporting Order, because the relief food which Owalo brings does not only go to Order people. The people who are in Nyanza are also recognizing Owalo as the person who is working very hard. And I want to say another thing. Odinga, right now, just like Madam has said, we are also going for elections. And Odinga does not have any post. Odinga is afraid of those people who are coming. People who are coming are from Gumbo, Dor, Owino Chalice, and so many other. And even some people, I was once an ODM member. I've also come from ODM. These people, Odinga and his other people, these people are afraid of the people who are coming because they know they are not going to obtain any chance. And we cannot just sit like this as some people came to ODM earlier. We have to do elections which Odinga is going to sabotage by the people who are also against Owalo. I'm assuring you, we are going to support Order, we are going to support Order, we are going to support Owalo, we are going to support Ruto, and we are also going to support ourselves to join Order, and so that we get the election seat, elective posts, like chairman, which have never been done. So Odinga is cheating the public. He's not the chairman. The chairman's position has not been done. And that's the reason why we are going on the ground mobilizing people. They want money to be given to them so that they do the mobilization. So to the entire public, to the Siaya County, and even to the Nyanza at large, Odinga has been bought to come and undermine Owalo, what we are protesting a lot. And we shall continue protesting, and we shall also learn from that the protest we are doing is just going to be portrayed when the number of the people who have been registered in Order becomes larger than what it used to be. There's nothing else I can add unless another person.
It is quite flabbergasting. I'm Uchengo Joe from Mugunja. It is quite flabbergasting to go here and there mentioning the name of CS for no apparent reason. CS is a national figure. We must accord him with a lot of decorance